Are you ready for a fresh take on Surfshark VPN? In this review, we'll dive deep into its performance in 2023 and determine if it's worth being considered the top VPN on the market. We'll explore what sets Surfshark apart from the other top contenders, as well as areas where it can improve. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what makes Surfshark unique. We'll dive into the specifics of speed and security later, but for now, let's focus on its strongest points and capabilities. One of the most common questions I get is whether Surfshark works with Netflix. The answer is yes, and its streaming capabilities are impressive. I personally use Surfshark for Netflix because it can access 29 different foreign libraries that are typically unreachable. To put that into perspective, NordVPN only gives me access to over 12 libraries. But does it work with other streaming services? The answer is yes. I'm able to access Hulu, HBO Max, BBC iPlayer, and many others without any issues, although I sometimes need to switch servers. Another thing that sets Surfshark apart is its device limit, or lack thereof. With one account, you can set Surfshark up on as many devices as you want. I've personally connected 20 devices by sharing my account with friends. In comparison, NordVPN lets me connect 6. Let's continue discussing Surfshark's unique abilities. One of the most notable ones is Surfshark's Nexus. The Nexus works by using software-defined networking, where all of Surfshark's servers have been connected into one global network, making the connection faster and more stable. This means that when you switch between VPN servers, there are no disconnections, which can prevent traffic exposure. This update also promised 3 new features, but I've only seen and tested one so far, the IP rotator, which is useful for avoiding cross-site tracking. However, the other 2 features seem to be delayed. To access these features, you'll need to opt for the Surfshark One subscription, which comes at an additional cost. So, is Surfshark One worth investing in? In my opinion, yes, it is. In my latest testing, it caught 11 out of 12 malicious files, which is comparable to other powerful antivirus software. However, there's still room for improvement, such as the ability to quarantine malicious files and the option to have a firewall to monitor traffic. But overall, Surfshark provides effective real-time protection and is very affordable. So is Surfshark VPN worth the investment? In my opinion, yeah, it is. Not only is it a capable VPN service, but it's also quite affordable. Surfshark's long-term pricing is well known among Reddit VPN users, and compared to other providers, it's easy to see why. And remember, you can get an even better deal if you find a Surfshark coupon code, like the one I've left in the description below. I'll also make sure to update it if anything changes. If you're considering using Surfshark for more than just streaming Netflix or for their unique capabilities, let's take a look at the technical side of things. Surfshark's server infrastructure has undergone audits, but not their policies yet, which is something that separates them from other top VPN providers, even NordVPN. Although it's worth noting that Surfshark servers are designed to not retain user data, something that only a few providers have implemented. But what about security features? All of Surfshark's VPN traffic is protected by either AES-256 or XChaCha20 encryption, depending on the protocol you choose to use. However, encryption is not the only thing that keeps user data safe. While exploring Surfshark's app, I found many additional security features that take it to the next level. Let me show you some examples. I always enable the kill switch feature, which cuts off my internet access if the VPN connection drops to ensure no data leaks. The app also has a clean web tool that blocks ads and potential harmful websites, eliminating the need for additional tools like ad blockers. From the main window, I can also access specialty servers like Multihop, which chains 2 VPN servers together for added security. Static IP, which assigns you the same IP address every time you connect to these servers, and No Borders mode, which hides and reroutes your traffic if it detects any network restrictions. Despite all these advanced security features, is Surfshark still user-friendly? Absolutely. The apps are intuitive, even for beginners, and there's always tutorials on our channel if you face any difficulty using Surfshark VPN. The interface is modern and easy to navigate across all devices. Even Linux users can now enjoy a graphic user interface, but there's still some improvements to be made. In particular, I found the iOS app to be lacking in a few features, like no GPS spoofer to change your location data, and no whitelister to allow specific apps to bypass the VPN connection. It's true that no VPN service has all the features, and for me, I haven't needed them yet, but that may change in the future. So how does Surfshark perform in terms of speed? VPNs are known to slow down internet speeds, but the question is by how much? For this review, I ran a few tests to find out. First, I tested the closest server performance, which matched my expectations. Next, I wanted to see how consistent Surfshark's speeds were, especially for servers in further locations, which tend to slow down internet speeds. I was pleasantly surprised to find that Surfshark was very consistent, which is especially great if you plan to stream foreign content, since good speeds will minimize buffering. So, is Surfshark VPN good? Overall, yes. Based on its performance, security, and features, it has the potential to become the best VPN. As always, I'll keep you updated with the latest VPN news and reviews. And if you're ready to try Surfshark, be sure to check out the best possible discount deals by clicking on the link provided. That's all I have for this review. I'll see you in the next one.